Today's the day. I vowed I would have the house down by the end of the month. It's Thursday, I think the 29th, and the final part of the house is going to come down, the old master bedroom. So we've just, a fellow from Craigslist has just come and got all of the, got the window, and most of the floor has been salvaged. I'm actually out of room in the container, and this part's too hard to get because it's against walls. So Eric's just finishing up bundling the last two bundles. If there's any extra room, then once the walls are down, I'll grab this as well. I will be salvaging the cedar once it shakes out of the structure as I tear it down. Okay? So here we go.